Naiya.
Hello, for today's video, we are going to get our ring that we are in a distance now. So we will get our ring. Oh, the day after. May na-bless pala sa ating wedding.
Saan?
Boyfriend ni ate.
Bakit?
Bumalik sa simbahan.
Oh?
Oo daw, kasi... Ano yun, first time niya ulit mag-encounter ng pastor.
Oo, kasi simula daw ng COVID, hindi na siya bumalik ng simbahan.
Uy,
Pero
tagal na
talagang
din. Tagal na din.
Ito, hindi na Sabado.
Sabado.
Ay, ano, mandangan din yan ah. Jewish.
Para lang naman like evangelical, di ba?
Oo.
Oh,
Evangelical
parang
lang
ganun.
sabi doon sa ulo ni Ganito. So isn't her diamond set?
Yes.
And it's a free size. Okay, so this goes with you. This is called your extended protection plan.
Yeah. Oh, ito pa.
That's for the warranty. Well,
Yeah.
extended protection plan. I can't say warranty, I'm sorry. Here is one ring. This is the men's. Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Try.
It's gorgeous. Ah, that looks nice.
Good na?
So nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's the ladies.
Ladies.
Are you guys married already?
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to put wedding band first?
Oh, wedding band first.
It's up to you.
Oh, yeah.
It's they say to put the band first and it's the closest to the heart.
Oh.
Oh.
Your nails are beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Sakto na.
nice.
Okay, I'm gonna put them.
Put this one on.
Oh, is it okay that you're in the video?
Oh, of course.
Thank
It doesn't
you.
bother me.
Okay na?
Yeah.
You got a filter to make me look skinny?
We'll do that one. And we're gonna post it in our YouTube channel.
Go ahead. You do whatever you want. You whatever. Let me
Thank
see it on
you.
you.
It's nice.
Oh, looks beautiful. Your hands are sweaty.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's always.
You're nervous. It looks beautiful on you. Actually, let me see. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Looks very, very nice on you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Here's your EPP, okay? Don't forget that.
Yep.
So make sure to come in March.
Married ka na sa akin, ha? Ayan.
Nice.
And tinatak
Very
mo.
nice. Right?
Yeah. Hindi siya ganun.
Ate, ba't mo kami iniwan?
Nainggit.
My friend.
May cellphone dito. Tanong mo sa ano? Sa...
Sige. Yan.
Wala. Dragon Ball sana.
Oh.
Goku. Yun. Wala. Those ones.
I think he's just sold out.
Oh,
He
wow.
was here.
Sold out.
Yeah. Bilis mo sold out.
Yung Dragon Ball?
Yeah. Kasi yung mga ano, common na. Oh.
Sure.
Expecting Goku.
I do have Super Saiyan 4 Goku.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's sold out too. Wow.
Yeah.
Sumunod yung, ito na yung Naruto, oh. Kaso parang common na kasi yung Naruto eh.
Ha?
Common.
Yan, no?
Ayaw ko niya. Or ito, oh. Oh, di ba? Mga ganyan, 60.
59 lang.
Kung mahilig ka manood sa ano, or mga ganyan, oh, yung medyo malalaki. Habang palaki ng palaki, lumalaki yung presyo doon.
Oh.
Yeah. Every time, malayo mo.
Maganda sa yung baggy.
Maganda?
Mm-mm.
Di ba sobrang ano? Kaso tignan mo, oh, ang baba naman nito.
Okay lang.
Gaganda.
Okay naman na yung small, sir. Pumipila ba tayo, sir?
Ayaw mo yung mga ganito? Ay, bungo-bungo man.
Iniwan na naman tayo ni ate.
Case.
We're here in Miniso and we need pads because naubos na yung pads namin
Ay, ito.
that we're using. Here.
Ano?
No?
Nose.
Madicaz. Yeah. Last one na yun, no? Madaling maubos to. Madaling maubos sa market.
Gusto mo?
Check.
Antay lang.
Hindi eh. Okay na to. Kasi may ganun naman tayo. So, okay na to. And, magkano to? 24. So, may iba pa ka. Ito, gusto mo pag punta ka ng school,
Ano?
pag pumupunta ka ng school, nagbabas ka, with this.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Hindi.
Ito pala si Buttercup. Cute, no?
May lalagyan ba sila dito ng pencil?
Ng
Ng mga gamit?
pencil case.
Parang
Yun yung gusto ko bilhin sa'yo. Kahapon. Kaso ganito siya, oh.
Ay, wala bang iba?
Wala.
Baka mayroon pang lalaki dito. Ito? Para may lalagyanan ka ng ano.
Ng spoon and fork. Ah, may lalagyanan to?
Yeah, yan na yan.
Hindi to lalagyanan man. Ay, lalagyanan.
Lalagyanan yan. Ito
Eto
yung
gusto
takip
ko.
niya.
Gold. Ikaw? Ikaw nagbabao.
Hindi ako nagbabao.
Magkano? 5 lang.
Yeah.
Okay, good catch. 5.99.
Yeah.
Gusto ni Ibon, KitKat, ano daw, green.
Ah?
Gusto ni Ibon,
Yung.
KitKat green daw.
No, that's
We
okay. Saan pa
have
yung?
bag.
And are you a member with us?
Not yet.
You want to sign up for 10% off?
Yes, please. Oh,
Okay.
ikaw mag-sign up.
Ikaw?
Yeah.
Ako kasi kapon, nasa email ko pala
Oh,
yung code.
get code.
Yeah. There. 155639.
155639. Can
So
you?
if you use 10%, everything will be fine. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, that's okay. Select it.
Kunin
Ano ba
ko
to?
yung gusto ko ngayon.
Oh, sige.
Budol na naman si J-Lo. Gusto ko nito, guys. Rum. And ito. Beer pa. 90%. Okay na to. $20 something kaya yun.
So, may pants ka na, bra, underwear, di na.
Bra, wala. Ayoko na.
Ayaw mo na. Bakit ayaw mo na?
Kasi meron na 3.
Tatlo lang man.
Yep.
May H&M.
How do you feel now
I'm good.
today? You didn't buy something for yourself.
It's okay. Hindi ko naman
Oh, here.
kailangan sa ngayon.
No, you need some for school.
Na ano ka na naman kasi may binili tayo sa'yo. Ito. Aso ang hahaba ito. Diba?
It's nice.
Yeah. Aso ang hahaba. Sa kinis.
Kids.
Kaso ang sikip ata dito niya.
Try.
Yeah.
Try mo.
US fit.
O, di ba? Akala mo lang yan mahaba, pero fit yan sa'yo. Oh. Ayan. Dito, oh.
I think so. Okay.
Favorite ni ate.
Lahat yan ah.
Ha? Seryoso ate? Stocks?
Ubos eh.
Hoy, haul yan. Shop haul yan. Bawal yan. Na.
Grilled potatoes.
5. Gusto mo.
Ilan? Hindi na niya kain.
7.
Bato ka na ah.
Mapakti.
Hindi. Malat suka ba? Kasi tama na.
Meron isa.
Eh, lagay mo yan.
Mag-iwan ka pa ng isa.
Ano na yun para sa kanila. Naman sila.
Ilan? 12?
Ito. Wala na tayo. Right.
Tagal namin hinanap ka.
Binilang ko na lang sana si si Eric.
Bilan mo pa, isa.
Diba?
Wala sa mo Hallmark na eh.
Ay,
Uy, umuulan.
Ay, shucks.
oo.
Eh, alaw
We
na
cannot
ganito.
go out.
Yeah. Punta tayo dito.
It's raining.
Bibili ba ako? Tingin mo.
Bili ka na.
Ka-diet daw sa pero eh.
Diet.
Dark chocolate.
White lang man.
Ayaw din nilang dark. Kaya mo na.
Dito na tayo, upo lang tayo dito. We're stranded since it's raining so hard. There's a thunderstorm. Oh my.
Kinatang
Ay,
na.
niya umupo. Grabe naman. Hindi mo man ako pansin,
Ano
mama.
nga pinapansin mo kita? Ay. Sorry about that.
When a Filipino man do the tricks.
Oh no, oh, you put the bag on the horse.
Yeah, my shoes.
I gotta remember where my car